Hello guys and welcome to my channel Prog Tech. In this movie, we are going to learn about the file and folder structure of the Laravel 9. So this is the our app. In app folder, we have the model. This is the model, and our controller is also present in the app. Go to the app and HTTP, and this is our the controllers. Controller is the here you write any code and create any controller for your any viewport for your any model. In this you have to write the basically the PHP functions, and already this is the controller class that is extended with the base class. This base class had the so many things, means that this is the built-in the functions or the built-in features of the Laravel that give us. So in order to you access the view part or the model part, you have to write everything, every code in this controller part. And now if I close this and go to the app, here is our model. That is the user model. When you have to create the database and to link the database with your Laravel 9 and with your file, then you have to access the or create the model with the name of your table in the database. This is basically the, if I can say that you can add edit anything in your model in your table by the help of the model. And this is these are the providers, mean that authentication service provider, broadcast and route service provider, but these are not our concern. This is the database. In order to connect the database, these are the migrations. In my coming videos I will tell you about the migration. For that time you have just remember that with the help of the migrations we have to create our table in the database. And in PHP we have create the tables manually by going to the database and create the table manually, but in the Laravel 9 we have to create the table by the help of the migrations. For that time you just have to ignore the migration. In our coming video we will discuss the migration in detail. And these are the language folders, and here is the resource. In the resource our view part is present, that is shown or look in our web browser. This is the welcome.blade.php. This is the page, and this is the page that is basically uh, show when we open or open our the Laravel file. And these are the routes, and these are the web.php. Here you have to write the route, mean that here it's write the this is the one of the route by the help, and this is the one of the route, and in this route we just have to return our view part. And view welcome means that this is the welcome.blade.php. By the help of this route or this link we have to return our welcome.blade.php page. And then when we enter the link localhost colon 8000, or if you write the page link localhost slash folder name slash file name, you can also open the file. When you open the file, basically this route is called, and then this route redirect to you welcome.believe.php. So you have to create the different routes for your controller and for your views in the web.php section. And now in order to uh, connect your database with your Laravel 9, then go to the .env folder. This is the env. Here you have to write the database name, and then database user, that is the for local, this is the route. And then if you set any password for database, you have to write the database password. These are the basically the and basic structure of our Laravel 9 in order to work with its files. And in the coming videos we will discuss these files and how to edit the code, how to add the code of our own choice, and how the model view and controller actually works. In our coming video we discussed all these things, inshallah. Thank you so much for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.